Hi everyone, and thank you very much for giving me time to talk to you. We just been through a CEO chat through the KBA forum, talking about interest rates, their movements, how they are determined, what influences them, and I'm happy that quite a number of people participated in it, and we were able to learn quite a lot of what concerns the public, and we were able to give them the information that they need. And I would like to see more people participating in it. In my view, interest rate is not a myth. It's something that is dealt with by people, by professionals, and is a concern for everybody. The bottom line is that interest rate is the pricing that we give on the loans that we lend to people. And we have various products. As an industry, we do not prefix interest rate. They are negotiable, and we do negotiate depending on various circumstances. But the main influences on interest rate, that is the pricing for the products that we lend, is not essentially internal. There are quite a number of things, especially the macroeconomic factors. Those do influence the level at which we lend. The other important element is the cost of funds, because what we lend to people, we buy it from the people. But in the cost of the intermediary, there is a certain proportion that we do consider in terms of what our return is. The other element is that there is always a risk in lending, and certainly we got to do what we call risk-based pricing, and that may also influence at the end of the day what kind of price we are putting on your borrowed funds. I may also wish to point out that the cost of intermediation may also to a certain extent influence the kind of interest rate that we are charging. And this is something that we've been working on, so that we improve our efficiency and therefore reduce the cost of lending. And that has been happening over the last couple of years, because every bank is concerned about the cost that we are going through. The other element, which is outside our influence, is the performance of the economy. And that is dependent on virtually all of us Kenyans, in the sense, if you are working hard and efficiently wherever you are improving the business performance of the country, and therefore we are able to charge lower interest rate. Finally, from me, I do want to appreciate the effort that the banks have been doing to support the economic development of this nation. But meanwhile, it is important that the general public also supports banks to do their business, so that they can be able to support more of the activities that they are doing. It is a fact that there are some certain businesses that you cannot be able to perform unless you get financial support from somewhere. That somewhere could be the bank, and that's why we exist. And I would like to appeal to everybody to continue behaving in the way we have seen in the last couple of years. And I think it is, in conclusion, good to say that the relationship between us, through the KBA, through individual banks, is improving by the day, because the public is supportive, and that's what we want to see in this country. Thank you very much, and God bless.